Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock more heroes on the Dota 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dota 2 game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, you will see the Play Dota button at the bottom right corner, which you can click on in order to start playing your game. Now, when you complete various different matches, and as you keep on winning, you will get various different rewards. Some of these rewards will sometimes be various different heroes and characters that you can unlock. However, if you wish to unlock heroes without going through the painful process of winning matches, then you can still purchase them using the shard currency. You can click on heroes to see all of the different heroes that are available within the game. And in order to purchase any one, click on the armory option at the top section. Now you will see the purchasable heroes that are available to you. Just click on your preferred hero that you wish to purchase, and you can also filter from the list at the left side. Once you find any hero that you wish to buy, you can simply click on the one that you wish to purchase, and you will be able to spend your real-world cash through the Steam store, and you can also purchase using your shard currency. Once you have completed your transaction, your hero will be added onto your armory right away. And now, you will be able to start your matches using this hero that you have unlocked or purchased. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to unlock more heroes or characters on the Dota 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.